This foam part on the tonneau cover, or those brackets, are going to go to the front of the bed near the window. So slide that up there. You want to try to center this a little bit. Just check your gap on this side and compare it to the other side. Looks pretty good. We're going to unclip these right there and right there, and we're going to unfold it. Just close the tailgate. Just make sure that lines up pretty good. If you need to adjust, you can push it forward and then adjust the sides. Make sure it's fairly even on both sides. Now we're just going to fold this back up. Careful not to reposition this at all. That looks good. I'm going to grab this hole down and just twist it in that position. This part is going to attach to the bed of the truck. Just slide that in like that. And tighten this up. And you don't want to go too tight. Just grab the bracket, make sure it doesn't wiggle, and then just go a little bit more. That should be good. And then take this safety strap, loosen this up, and slide this on the bed of the truck and tighten this down. And just snug that up, make sure it doesn't wiggle, and do the same on the other side. All right, unfold it again. Next, we're going to install these brackets. You want to get them generally in this location. You can either mark this if you want, or just get a rough idea. Loosen up these two bottom bolts. Slide this in position. And then get it lined up with the lock. Make sure that's good. And then we'll just snug these bolts up. Use the key that comes with the kit. I'll just snug them up a little bit, and then we can open up lift this up. And I'll snug it up a little bit more. Wiggle it, make sure it doesn't move. Do the same for the other side. Now lock it down in place. If there's a gap right here, then you can loosen up this bolt right here. And to make the gap go away, you bring this piece down. If it's too tight, then you can loosen this up and push this bracket up. All right. Close the tailgate. Make sure everything looks good, everything's lined up. Open the tailgate. If you want to fold it up, just pull on this lever, release the locks, slide it up, slide it again. You can lock these in place, and you're good to go.